Okay, Lucas, what is the most important sentence in the whole world?
I love you?
No, well, maybe, but no, it's I want.
Wait, really? Just I want?
Yes, because, think about it. You're a baby. What do? You cry because you want milk.
Oh, right. I mean, babies just cry. They don't say, I want milk.
Exactly. But when you learn English, you don't want to cry, right?
No, I mean, I cry sometimes, but not in a cafe.
Right. You're in a cafe, you see cake. You want the cake.
I always want cake.
See? You just used it. I want cake. It's so simple, but so strong.
Okay, but isn't it rude? I want. Sounds like a bad kid.
Ooh, good point. Yes and no. In English, I want is very basic. We use it all the time.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, a key to open doors.
A key? Wait, I don't get it.
Okay, you go to a store. You need water. If you don't say, I want water, what do?
I just point like a monkey?
Yes, you point, or you say, water please.
Yeah, water please is easy.
It is, but I want helps you build real sentences. It makes you sound, normal.
Okay, so how do I use it? Just I want and the thing?
Yes. Rule number 1. Very easy. I want plus a thing.
Give me an example.
I want a car. I want a dog. I want a big pizza.
Oh, I want a big pizza too. Now I'm hungry.
You're always hungry, Lucas.
It's true. Okay, so I want a coffee. I want a new phone.
Perfect. See? You're doing it. It's just 3 words. I want a thing.
But wait, what if I want to do something, not a thing, an action?
Now we go to rule number 2.
Wait, there are rules? You said this was easy.
It is easy, I promise. Rule 2 is just adding one little word. To. T-O.
I want to?
Yes, I want to sleep. I want to eat.
Oh, now I get it. So if it's an action, I say to.
Exactly. You're so smart today.
Thanks. So I want to drink coffee, not I want drink coffee?
No. I want drink is bad. It sounds funny, like a robot. I want drink. Beep, boop.
Beep boop. Okay, so I want to drink.
Right. Think of to like a bridge.
A bridge?
Yes. I want is on one side. The action, like sleep, is on the other side.
Wait, a bridge? Like I walk on it?
No. A bridge for words.
Oh, okay. A bridge for words.
Yeah, so you have I want here,
Mm-hmm.
and sleep is over there. The word to connects them.
Ah, it holds them together.
Exactly, Lucas. Without the bridge, they fall in the water.
Fall in the water. I want sleep splash.
Right. Splash. Bad English.
Okay. I don't want them to fall.
So give me another one. Another action.
Play. Like play soccer.
Perfect. So make the sentence.
I want to play soccer.
Boom! Yes, you crossed the bridge.
I am a bridge master.
You really are.
But wait, Luna, wait.
Yeah? What is it?
What if it's not an action?
Ooh, good question. Like what?
Like an apple. Apple is not an action.
Right. Apple is a thing, a noun.
Do I use the bridge? Do I say I want to apple?
No, I want to apple is so funny.
It sounds wrong. Very wrong.
Because it is. You don't need a bridge for things.
Oh, so just I want an apple?
Yes, just I want an apple.
No to?
No to. Things don't need the bridge.
Wow, that is so easy.
I know, right? So action needs a bridge.
The to bridge.
Yes. And things, no bridge.
Okay, let's practice. I want to test this.
Okay, Mr. Bridgemaster, let's do a quiz.
Oh boy, a quiz. Okay, I'm ready.
I will say a word. You make the I want sentence.
Okay, hit me.
Ready? First word, book.
Book. Book is a thing, so I want a book.
Yes, good. No bridge.
No bridge. Too easy. Give me a hard one, Luna.
Okay, watch. Watch TV.
Watch. Watch is an action, so I need the bridge.
Uh-huh.
I want to watch TV.
Perfect. You are doing so well today, Lucas.
Thank you, thank you. Wait, I have a tricky one.
Oh no, you have a tricky one for me?
Yes. What about water?
Water. Okay, water is a thing.
So I want water.
Exactly. I want water.
But what if I want the action, like drink?
Oh, then you put them together.
I want to drink water.
Yes, that is perfect English.
Wait, really? I said it right?
You did it perfectly, Lucas. I want to drink water.
Okay. Let me try another one.
Go for it.
I want to eat pizza.
Boom. Yes.
This is it's like a puzzle.
Yes, exactly. A very easy puzzle.
So I want is the first piece,
Right?
and to eat is the second piece,
Uh-huh.
and pizza is the end part.
You got it. It's like making a sandwich, Lucas.
Oh, I like sandwiches.
Right? So bread, meat, bread.
Wait, I don't get it. How is it a sandwich?
Okay. The first bread is I want.
Okay. I want.
The meat, the good part, is the action, to eat.
Ah, to eat.
And the last bread is the thing, pizza.
Bread, meat, bread. I want to eat pizza.
See? You just made a word sandwich.
I love that. A word sandwich.
Okay, let's play a game for the people listening.
Ooh, a game. I like games. What do we do?
I will give you a word, Lucas.
Just one word?
Yes, one action word. And you and the listeners,
Wait, the people at home too?
yes, everyone listening to English Pod Center right now.
Okay, we all play.
You all have to make a sentence, a fast sentence.
With I want?
Yes, use I want. Ready?
I am so ready, Luna. Give it to me.
The word is sleep.
Oh, wait, sleep. That's an action?
Yes, it is. Quick, make the sentence.
I want to sleep.
Perfect. Listeners, did you say it too?
That was easy. Give me a hard one, Luna.
Oh, you want a hard one?
Yes, give it to me.
Okay, watch. Like, look at a screen. Watch.
Watch. Okay. I want to watch a movie.
Yes, you even added the thing at the end.
Bread, meat, bread. I remembered the sandwich.
That is so good. You are learning so fast.
Actually, wait. Can I say I want watch a movie? No too?
Ah, good question. No, you cannot say that.
Why not? I want watch sounds shorter.
It is shorter, but it is wrong. You need the to.
So I want to watch. The to is the glue?
Yes, exactly. The to is the glue for the sandwich.
Or the sauce? The mayonnaise?
Sure, the mayonnaise. You need the to.
Okay, I want to watch. I want to sleep.
Never forget the mayonnaise, Lucas.
No mayonnaise, no sandwich. I get it, Luna.
Yes, exactly. Okay, let's practice, Lucas.
Oh boy, a test now?
Just a fast one. I will say a word, you make a sentence.
Okay, I am ready, I think.
The word is pizza.
Easy. I want a pizza. No to because pizza is a thing.
Boom! Perfect. Now, the word is eat.
I want eat. Wait, no.
You forgot the sauce.
Right. I want to eat. I want to eat pizza.
Yes, high five. You did it.
Wow, this is actually really fun.
See? English is fun. Let's do one more.
Give it to me. Make it hard.
Okay. The words are buy and car.
Oh, 2 words. Okay.
Yes, go.
I want to buy a car.
Amazing. You used the glue.
I used the mayonnaise. I want to buy a car.
Yes. And what if you just say car?
Then I want a car. Just the bread and meat.
This sandwich joke is so silly.
I am hungry now, Luna.
Me too. But let's finish the lesson first.
Okay. What is next?
Next is for the listeners.
Oh, homework?
Yes, a small challenge for everyone listening.
I love challenges. Tell them.
Okay, guys, listen carefully.
We are waiting.
Write a sentence in the comments. Use I want.
Oh, good one. Wait, with a thing or an action?
Both. Give us one thing you want.
Like, I want a dog.
Yes, and give us one action you want to do.
Like, I want to play football.
Exactly. Put them in the comments below.
I will read all of them, I promise.
We will check your mayonnaise. Don't forget the to.
Yes, if you use an action, you need the to.
Well said, Lucas. You are an expert now.
I mean, I had a great teacher.
Aw, thank you.
So what do we want now?
I want to say thank you to the listeners.
Hey, you used the rule. I want to say.
I practice what I teach.
Guys, if you enjoyed this sandwich lesson,
Please subscribe to our channel.
yes, hit the follow button right now.
It really helps English Pod Center grow.
English Pod Center is the best.
We want to see you again.
Nice one. We want to see you next time.
Have a great day, everyone. Keep practicing.
And go eat a sandwich. Bye.
Bye, guys.